Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to enable HTTPS only mode in Firefox on Windows 11 or 10 PCs. HTTPS provides a secure encrypted connection between Firefox and the website you visit. Most websites support HTTPS, and if HTTPS only mode is enabled, Firefox will upgrade all connections to HTTPS. To enable this one feature, first open Firefox browser on your Windows PC. Then click on this one menu icon in the top right corner. In the drop down menu, select Settings. In Firefox Settings, select Privacy and Security in the left sidebar. On the right, scroll down to the HTTPS only mode section, and here you will find by default it is disabled, and to enable HTTPS only mode you need to select this one first option, enable HTTPS only mode in all windows. And in case you want to enable HTTPS only mode in private windows only, then you need to select this one second option. And in case you want to add some exceptions, you need to click on this one manage exceptions button. Now type your address here, and you can turn off temporarily or turn off permanently, and then click on this one save changes button. To apply the changes, close the Firefox browser and reopen it once.